In this video I'm going to show you how to earn over $350 monthly playing games on this app. Please like and share this video for other people to see it for higher recommendation. Now without wasting time, let's dive into the video. Now open your Google Play Store on your mobile phone. Search for Win Real Money, Cash App Games. Click Download and Install app. Now open app to begin. Get gifts. With STG app, you will invest your time to earn valuable gifts. Play games. You will earn coins for every minute you play. Valuable rewards. You can reward your coins with many gifts, cards, or cash balance. Now click Let's get started. Accept terms. Continue with your Google account. Congratulations, you have just earned 7,000 coins worth $4 in cash. Click Accept. Now click on Download Games now to start play to earn and double your balance. You can cash out your earning through cash balance and others payment. Have further questions, comment below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.